Hi everyone, welcome to CTC Programming. This is Avinash, and today we'll learn about programming in C. Now, here are the reasons why we should choose C. Now, first is C is a fundamental language. Now, the present language such as C++, Java, and C Sharp have the core in C. If you are good at C language, you will be good at C++ and Java and other languages too. Now, second is C has an advantage of an age. Being 30 years old and more, C has more content, more material, and more understanding, which means less bugs. Now, third is it is used in system programming for Unix. Now, 95% of the Unix is programmed using C. Now, fourth is hyperstability. Now, the thing is, C programs written for one computer can be run on another with little or no modification at all. So, portability comes handy. So, C is reasonably close to the machine. Now the thing about C is it combines the capability of assembly language with high level language, and therefore it is the best language to write anything from system softwares to business packages or anything, or games. You can write high performance games using C. Now intro. Now C is a general purpose computer programming language developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie for the use of Unix operating system. Now, second is Unix is a structured programming language, thus requiring the user to think of a problem in terms of function modules or blocks. We'll talk more about function modules or blocks in the next video. For now, just remember the C is a structured programming language. Now, this is an example. Now, I want you to write everything in this in a small text. So I want you to write from here and save it as hello world.c. Just save it as hello world.c. We want extension as C. Now how to compile in Windows. Now I will show you how to compile in Windows. Now I have textpad which is safe, which has all the code. Now I have save it as hello world.c. So the next is I find the Visual Studio command prompt. Now I'll call the C compiler cl hello hello world.c. Now I'll type hello world. Now you can see the output hello world here. Now let's talk about how this program compile process is. Now first is we used our editor to write the program, the C program. Now then we saved that into hello world.c, which is C source program, and we'll talk about preprocessors. Just remember, just skip this part for now. Now C compile cl, which we wrote in DOS, is the C compiler. Now you'll understand about this later. So let's go to next one. So this is the program which we wrote in the text file. Now first is this. Now this is a comment. Now these two lines which denotes this is in comment. Comments are ignored by the compiler. Comments are used to help the programmer to understand the program much more easily. Now if I come after 2-3 years and I would open my own program, and comments will be helpful for me to understand what I have written there. So comments are used for that. The first is the includes a standard io.h. Now this is called preprocessor directive, and this is standard input output.h, which is an header file. Now what is this? Now this is a preprocessor directive. Now what this does is it imports the standard input and output function to our program. It does. It imports the standard and input output function to our program. Now next is the main. Now this is the main part of every program must have main. Every program executes starts its process from the main. So main function is very much essential in a program. So this is from where the program starts. Now these are the bases. Okay. Printf hello world. Now printf function is used to output this hello world string onto the screen. Printf hello world prints hello world on the screen. Now as we have seen when we have compiled our program, we have seen hello world. Now you can see hello world here. Now printf helped us help the compiler to print the hello world here. So that's how it does. uh, this is a simple format of C program. Now as I said before, every program must have main, from where the program starts, and this indicates the start program, this indicates the end of the program. Anything which is in middle of here will be executed by the main program. These are called as program statements, and this is a format of C program. And I think that's all for this video. I'll explain more in the next one with much more clarity. Till then, see you later guys.